This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Harley Hensley. Rarely available 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom with DE. This very popular floor plan offers 997 square feet of beautiful living space. This large unit is located on the 7th floor and has a beautiful east-facing view of tree-lined, brick streets of the historic neighborhood of Thornton Park. The kitchen features granite countertops, real wood cabinets and stainless steel appliances. The primary bedroom is large with its own view of the city. The condo comes with 1 parking space and 1 storage locker. This modern building features concierge service, security, a resort-style pool, hot tub/jacuzzi, sauna, private fitness center, resident lounge with free Wi-Fi, pool tables and flat-screened TV. Located just 2 blocks from Lake Eola and a short distance to restaurants, entertainment and shopping. For more information, review the details below.